Hello, everyone. In today's lecture, we will explore two fundamental concepts in logic, tautology and contrapositive. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone studying mathematics, computer science, or philosophy, as they form the backbone of logical reasoning and proof techniques. Tautology. A tautology is a compound statement in logic that is always true, regardless of the truth values of its constituent propositions. In other words, a tautology is a statement that is true in all possible scenarios. Let's see its example: P is true and not P is false, P or not P is true, P is false and not P is true. P or not P is true. Importance of tautologies. Proofs. Tautologies are often used in mathematical proofs and logical arguments to establish certain truths. Logic circuits. In computer science, tautologies help design circuits that are always valid. Simplification. They assist in simplifying logical expressions and verifying the consistency of logical systems. Contradiction. A contradiction is a logical statement that is always false, regardless of the truth values of its constituent propositions. In other words, a contradiction is a statement that cannot be true in any possible scenario. Let's see its example. P is true, not P is false, P and not P is false. P is false, not P is true, P and not P is false. Importance of contradictions. Logical consistency. Contradictions highlight logical inconsistencies within a set of statements or a system. Proofs. In proof by contradiction, one assumes the negation of the statement to be proved and shows that this assumption leads to a contradiction, thereby proving the original statement. Problem solving. Identifying contradictions helps in debugging logical systems and correcting errors in arguments.